Okay, here we go again. Okay, we're dumping water on it, making a mess, and yeah, that's the most I'm willing to do because now there's water all over the floor. Got to clean that up. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, cases, computers, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this guy right here, the LifeProof FRE case for none other than my iPhone 13 Pro Max right here. Now, what makes this case special is it is actually waterproof, which I just think is super duper cool. And believe it or not, every year when I get the new top-end biggest iPhone, I always have my phone in a LifeProof FRE case after the case comes out, of course, whenever I bring my phone out of my home, because I really just love how much protection it provides. So I'm actually very honored and very happy to say thank you to LifeProof/OtterBox for sending me this case for free this year to make this video about it for my iPhone 13 Pro Max, because this is truly a case that I really love. Years passed for all my past iPhones. Needless to say, I'm super duper happy to be getting literally my favorite case for having on my phone when it's not in my home for free this year. So thank you so much, OtterBox/LifeProof, for sending this to me. And anyway, without further ado, let's get this case out of the box. Here we go. So anyway, folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. As you can see, there's actually a big cutout right here, so you can actually touch and see the LifeProof FRE case itself right here. Right here, it also says made with ocean-based plastic, LifeProof, FRE, waterproof, and it says it is waterproof to 2 meters for 1 hour, and it is also drop-proof from 2 meters, and it is for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And once again, it's got MagSafe compatibility, which is just super duper awesome because I really do love MagSafe. So anyway, I'm just too excited. I just want to get this open and start using it. So here we go. We can peel this little sticker off, and then once that's gone, voila, we can just slide it open right here, and we can pull out the LifeProof FRE itself. Here it is, and then it says before exposing your device to water, it is important to water test your case. Then also over here in the box, it says 5G compatible. We've also got some water test instructions right there, and let's see, we've also got a limited warranty. And let's see, to water test this case, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to snap the front and back of the case together, it says. Ooh, and also we got, look at this, a free microfiber cloth right here. I love how they always include these microfiber cloths. I've got so many of them now. And also, this is interesting, the little circular rubber band thing that goes around the inside of the case, this year it is blue. For the 12 Pro Max, it was gray, so that's just a cool little detail right there. You can also see those MagSafe magnets right here, so yes, we know they're there, that is good. But anyway, again, back to the water test, so you're going to want to snap the case together, and then you're going to want to push in the lightning protector port. So then next for the water test, what you're supposed to do is submerge the case face down for a half hour underwater, and then take it out, dry it off, and open it up and see if it is dry inside. If it's dry inside, as it should be, you're good to go and install it on your phone. And let's just get this case on my iPhone 13 Pro Max right here. So to begin doing that, let's open up this microfiber cloth and let's actually wipe down my phone. Looks like my phone is all nice and wiped down now at the moment. So now we can go ahead and put it into the case. So to do that, we can just plop it into the top part of the case right here and make sure it is nice and secure in there, and we can hear it click in just like that. And then we could take the bottom piece right here and we can also put that on by just snugly fitting it on just like that. And you definitely got to apply a bit of pressure right there, but it's good to know all the protection that this case provides. And boom, now I've got the LifeProof FRE on my iPhone. So let's peel off this sticker right here, and voila, there we go, nice and satisfying. And now it is on. So first things first, let's test out that MagSafe. So right here I have my Apple MagSafe battery pack, and you know what, let's just slap it on right here, and I felt it click on, and boom, now it is charging. This is just so cool. I wish LifeProof would have added MagSafe to their free cases earlier, but I'm just so happy that they finally have it now, because look how awesome this is. You can have your phone all waterproof and protected and still continue to use your awesome MagSafe accessories right here. So yes, the battery pack does work. Now let's test it out with another MagSafe accessory right here. I have my Apple MagSafe charging puck, whatever you want to call it, and we can just slap it down and let's see, will this wirelessly charge as well? Yep, I felt the clip on and then boom, it is charging. So yeah, this is just super duper cool. I do charge my iPhone every night on a MagSafe wireless charging stand. So you know what? Let me grab that and let's see if that works with the free too. I bet it will, obviously. So this is the MagSafe wireless charging stand I use. It's Belkin's. So let's see how it works with the free. We can put it down right here and let's just slap it on and boom, it works perfectly, just as expected. Of course, I would expect nothing less. Look at this. Very, very cool. Now, anyway, now that we've tested out MagSafe on this case, let's just do a quick walk around tour of the case. So here on the front, we see that the whole screen is covered by that screen protector, but don't worry, Face ID still works just fine. Over here on this side, we've got the side button, which you can use to obviously wake up your phone and put it to sleep or talk to Siri. Over here on the back, we've got the LifeProof logo, as well as a massive camera area for the rear camera bump on the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which is even bigger than on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So yes, Apple likes bigger and bigger cameras. Over here on the side, we've got volume buttons, and let's see, how do those feel? Yeah, you definitely got to apply some pressure to them to push them in. But again, this case adds so much protection, I don't really mind. Over here, we've got this interesting rotatable mute switch right here if you want to activate the mute function on your phone. So here we go. We can put silent mode off like that, and then if we turn it this way, silent mode back on. And now I think this is pretty interesting and creative, because a lot of cases, you know, you still just use a regular mute switch, but this, you get to rotate it. So I think that is pretty cool right there. And last but not least, over here on the bottom, we do have some mesh covers on the speaker grills, and then we also have a flap if you want to access the lightning port right here. And wow, this is interesting. The little circle around the flap is also blue on this case instead of being gray. So that's pretty cool. I think the blue looks good, especially with my Sierra Blue iPhone 13 Pro Max right here. And yeah, overall, in the hand, this case still feels pretty slim. It actually does feel maybe a bit bulkier than the 12 Pro Max LifeProof free case, but I would still say this feels like a slim case. And even if it is a bit bulkier, I don't mind, because again, it adds just so much protection. And yeah, another thing I'm noticing too is the rear camera. It definitely juts out, pops out quite a bit. You can definitely notice it right there, but again, who cares? This is protecting your phone a lot. So now another thing I want to test out in this case is how pictures look, because obviously the selfie camera up here, that's covered by screen protector, but also on the back, the rear cameras are also covered, you know, for added protection and to make sure it's waterproof. So let's see how pictures look. Anyway, let's take a just regular picture right here of the Warenotice logo. Okay, we can snap this picture. And let's take a look at that. I think it looks perfectly normal right there. That is from the rear camera. Now let's go ahead and let's take a selfie right here. Okay, cheese. And let's see how that looks. Again, I think it looks perfectly normal right there, so that is good. Anyway, let's also try recording a video with this case on to see how audio sounds as well through the case. Okay guys, so now I'm recording a video on my iPhone 13 Pro Max's selfie camera with the LifeProof free case on. How do you think it sounds? How do you think it looks? And I mean, again guys, I think that sounds and looks perfectly normal, so again, that is good right there. And now folks, last but not least, the last thing I would like to test about the LifeProof free in this video is actually just dumping water on it. So now this is the most stressful part of this video, obviously, because I gotta get water everywhere, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do to test this case. So here we go. I'm just gonna dump water on it. As you can see, my iPhone 13 Pro Max is still inside this case. So let's just do it. Okay, here we go again. Okay. We're dumping water on it, making a mess, and yeah, that's the most I'm willing to do, because now there's water all over the floor. Got to clean that up. but here it is. Did my phone survive? Yes, it obviously did. So that definitely totally makes sense. As you can see right here, it is working just fine. Even Face ID works. So, I mean, with that, folks, there is not much more to say about the LifeProof free rate here. If you guys want it for yourself for the iPhone 13 Pro Max and with that MagSafe compatibility, it'll set you back about $100. So yes, it's not exactly cheap, but it is waterproof and provides all this protection for your phone. You can knock $10 off the price, of course, if you get the version of the free without MagSafe compatibility, but for me, I just love MagSafe accessories so much, I would get the MagSafe version. But anyway, definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this case. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you have it for yourself? Let me know, because I do read all the comments, by the way. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. And if you are in the market for your very own iPhone 13 Pro Max case, definitely check out the link in my description to my playlist of all the different iPhone 13 Pro Max cases that I've unboxed here on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.